Hey, peeps, you know what it be. It's your boy, Mr. Floyd, aka the Angry Foul. Hey, peeps, you know what it be. It's your boy, Mr. Floyd, aka the Angry Foul. Back again for another review. Today we are in Gilroy, California to try out Culichi's, or I'm shredding this name, but it's a tug little urban kitchen out here at the Gilroy outlets. They do sushi and like a sushi and Mexican fusion type dish. So some we seen online. Shout out to Torian Love. She. You know what it is. Yeah, so we out here. We about to try some good eats and see if it's all what it looks. So online it looks like it's really good and it's really popular. So we gonna pull up and see if this is good or not. So stay tuned to the review, peeps. Alright, peeps, so we back. So first on deck we got an appetizer. This is waxed pepper. It's like a stuffed pepper with shrimp and crab, deep fried, with some type of dressing. I don't know about these. Torian Love done tried to talk me into doing something different, but we gonna see about these peppers. These things smell good though. No cap. But let's get into this review. Let me get a napkin, because this, just in case if this shit is nasty. Alright, peeps, so we back. So as you can see, this is the stuffed pepper. Pray for me, because you know I'm picky. So if I die, hey, my location is in my phone. Flint June, Tariq, y'all come save me. Alright. I don't know about this one. Hold on. Before I take another bite, you can see the inside. It's a shrimp and crab combination with some type of spicy sauce. Alright, so it's cool. It's probably not something I would probably order by myself, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I get this about a 3.5. It's not overly cooked. Fried very well. The spicy sauce is really good. Tender. I just can't get over the whole stuffed pepper thing. I guess I'm in my head about it. So, but yeah, overall it's like a 3.5. No cap. Alright. So yeah, we got a couple other things coming up. So stay tuned, peeps. Alright, peeps. So next on deck we got some sushi. This is called the 3 Animals. So you got your it's a surf and turf. You got your shrimp, you got some steak, and you got some chicken. I've been looking for some sushi with some chicken, so hey, had to pull up. Things look deep fried, got some little sauces on the side. Yeah, and that was that pepper that was in that appetizer that I just had. So they put it on a plate as some garnish. So we about to get into this, peeps. Alright, peeps, so we back. So as you can see, this is the 3 animals. Kind of a surf and turf. So I'm gonna try it without any sauce, and then I'm gonna dip it with the sauce. So okay. So this is considered a hot sushi. Look like it's coated with some tempeh, some type of breading. Is really good. As you can see, they got a little bit of steak and shrimp and a little bit of chicken. And they got cream cheese in it. A little bit different from what I'm used to on sushi, but it's actually good. I give this about a 4. 4 out the door. Very tasty. Let me try another one with the sauce. So I think they got some type of chipotle sauce and then some soy sauce. So I'm gonna try it with the chipotle sauce. Or hey, the sauce, hey, that's legit. That's definitely legit. I turn it from a 4. This might be a 4.5 with that sauce. Definitely good. Okay, next on deck we got another baked sushi. Last one was a hot sushi. This is a baked one. This is called Hot Avocado. Has shrimp and steak topped with avocado and some type of spicy sauce. This thing looks good. This also things look messy. But like I always say, it look good, but does it taste good? Let's get into it, peeps. Alright, peeps, so this is the hot avocado. So as you can see, it's a little bit messy. We got the shrimp and the steak inside, topped with some type of sauce. Just gonna go ahead and go into it. It is hot, so I understand why it says hot. That's just spicy. I give this about a 4. Definitely don't need no sauce. None of the soy sauce or the other sauce. Eat this naked, or whatever sauce that they got on it. You know what I'm saying? Definitely a 4-piece. Alright, peeps, last on deck, we got your calamari. You know, like tater tots, most seafood places, I like some good calamari. So they didn't have it on their menu, but online when I initially checked, they did have it. So had to ask, and boom, look what they brought your kid. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this, peeps. Alright, peeps, so we got the calamari. Nothing fancy. Hit it with the cocktail sauce. No cap. It should look like ketchup. Well, hopefully it is cocktail sauce. Texas. I can tell if it's ketchup or not. It's not bad. Calamari is not overly fried. Seasoned very well. Definitely good. I said, oh. I told the lady, I said, that's a Definitely good. Yeah, this is about a 4.2. No cap. Alright, peeps, so we about to wrap it up. Today we are at Culichi's Urban Kitchen. First time I shredded the name, so I had to practice that a little bit. Out here in Gilroy, California. Today we tried out their calamari, their waxed pepper, stuffed pepper, their 3 animal sushi, which is a hot sushi, and their hot avocado, which is a baked sushi. Overall experience, I would give this about a 4 out the door. So yeah, it's definitely good. My favorite out of everything I tried, I probably would say is the 3 animals. Yeah, that was like a 4.5, no cap. I liked their spin on how it's breaded, and then with the sauce, chef's kiss. Definitely good. The hot avocado was a 4. I liked it because it was spicy. The calamari was definitely good. Didn't know if that was ketchup or cocktail sauce or a combination of both. Don't quote me on it, but it was good. That wax pepper, that's like a 3. I personally wouldn't get it again, or I probably wouldn't order like I said, but it was a 3, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know what time it is. Go ahead and hit him with that stamp. Boom! Because it's Angry Foul approved. We out here trying to venture out to different spots in the Bay, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, if you got some recommendations, go ahead and hop in the comments and give me some recommendations. Alright, peeps, before I go, make sure you hit them with that HBO special. If you don't know what the HBO special is, it's the Help a Brother Out special. The way you can help a brother out is by go ahead and liking and subscribing to my channel. Because the more you like, the bigger my audience get. You know, YouTube game, it's all about the algorithm. You might not necessarily have to subscribe, but go ahead and like it and share it, you know what I'm saying? But yo, I'm about to get up out of here. You know what it be. It's your boy, Mr. Floyd, aka the Angry Foul. I catch you guys out on the next review. Peace.